What's your morning? Nope. Up. But I know. I don't. What? What's your morning typical? $5.43. Nah. Maybe. Oh. Maybe. Typically. I forgot everything. What's your morning typical? That was gonna be the one if I could talk. I spent $5.33. What? And this is a medium. That was so good, and I forgot everything. Keep for $2.43 for the. And I can't go outside because the locusts are screaming. Less than what you'd spent on a. What's your morning? Oh, I can't stop laughing. Okay, what's morning? What's your morning typically look like on coffee? So, I do, and that's, oh, I'm in a car, like nothing could be bothering me, and I still can't do it, and I can still hear the locusts screaming, or crawdads. Not crawdads. I can't, the canvases, I can't think what they're called. Cicadas! Oh. I forgot everything. Ah, ow. Something bit me. Wow. What a... I hate that.